Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the console, safety first. Once done, flip the unit so you can access the face and locate the two tiny plastic plugs beside the disc tray. Use a thin, flat tool to pry those plugs out. This exposes hidden screws. You do this because the faceplate clips are held under slight tension. Removing plugs relieves pressure and lets the plate lift without bending. Move deliberately and keep screws organized for reassembly. Once the faceplate is off, remove the two Torx T8 screws you exposed. These secure the tray mechanism. Next, slide the plastic bezel upward. There's a small snap. Then pull the disc tray forward just enough to access the inner screws. You do this because the tray is still latched to a rail and freeing it prevents cracking. Disconnect the slim ribbon cable by lifting its locking tab, then lift the tray assembly straight out to avoid snagging gears or cables. You finish by removing the remaining screws securing the drive cage. There are usually 3 key screws inside the case. Lift the cage straight up and out, keeping it level so internal parts don't shift. Inspect the gears, belt, and plastic tabs for wear. Replace any damaged pieces to restore reliable operation. If the tray is stuck, try depressing the small metal latch at the side or use a paper clip in the manual eject hole. That releases the mechanism without force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.